My name is Yulia. I'm 11 years old. I can read. Let's take care of the earth. The desert. The desert is home to a snake. Let's take care of the desert. The forest. The forest is home to a bear. Let's take care of the forest. The ocean. The ocean is home to a whale. Let's take care of the ocean. The swamp. The swamp is home to an alligator. Let's take care of the swamp. The mountain. The mountain is home to a goat. Let's take care of the mountain. The rainforest. The rainforest is home to a jaguar. Let's take care of the rainforest. The desert, the forest, the ocean, the swamp, the mountain, the rainforest, the earth. The earth is home to us all. Let's take care of the earth.